Hey guys, I just wanted to show you that I was able to make the Sony Joystick remote work with my Android. There's still some controls I haven't figured out, but check it out. Okay, the volume seems to be in reverse, but I can figure that out. I can change the track. Okay, and I have the source. Again, something else I have to figure out well. Mute button. Okay, and this should be to turn it off, but I'm still trying to find out. It just mutes it. So I've got to try it some more. There's two more controls that I'm trying to find out what to do. This one just mutes it also. But hey, I like this better. It's wired, but I like it better than the remote you can buy. This came off an old Sony unit that we had before. Thank you.